Well, hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Half Full Monty here for another exciting episode of random stuff. Anyway, so wanted to, yeah, I know. I live on a drag strip here. But anyway, this is I've had previous videos on. It's a Belknap Bluegrass hatchet that's from probably the late 1920s. And it was all pitted, rusted. It had a handle in it. I cleaned it up. And it actually had this little handle in it. It wasn't really quite the right size for it. Anyway, I went out to my backyard mobile axe throwing facility and started throwing this thing, because actually it throws pretty good. And the heads got loose on it, so I came in here and went ahead and took the head off. And anyway, I had this axe handle here from Whiskey River that I ordered for some reason for this Plum that I'm was working on. That to make a long story longer, that I got back in the 70s, and I was actually removing some trees and stuff, and I broke the handle on it. I went down to the hardware store and got this handle right here. You see, it still even has a staple in the end of it. That's how much it was used after that. But anyway, guy told me, "You want me to go ahead and put that handle on there for you?" And I'm like, "Nah, it's nothing. I can do it." He's going, "Well, it's pretty hard, you know, and I'm pretty good at it." But I didn't listen to him. And anyway, I put it in this thing myself, and I only got to about like right there with it. And it didn't even have a wedge or nothing in it, and it stuck. And I could not get that thing off. And so I used it like that for, I don't know, 30 years or so. Anyway, so I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and get that one fixed up. And so I got on their Whiskey River site. They were supposed to have pretty good handles. And this one here, handles are expensive for good hickory handles, I guess. Anyway, so they were pretty much sold out. And so this one here was a 24-inch handle. I thought, well, I'll put that in there. It's kind of short, but I'll put it in there anyway. Anyway, when I got this one, come to find out it won't work in that one anyway. The eye is not correct. But anyway, so I got this handle and I proceeded to put it in. And I'm here to tell you, I've watched a few videos. This is like really, you know, the first one I've ever done, refurbished and put a handle in. And it was quite a task to carry it out. But anyway, you know, it's not perfect by any means. But anyway, it's for a first, you know, basically I only use hand tools. Let's see if I can get that logo on there. Is it going to focus? Anyway, but I did that, so it's now for those that throw axes. It's 23 and about a quarter in length from here to the end, and it weighs right in at 4 pounds, which is kind of heavy. But if you throw big axe, it actually would qualify for a big axe. It might be kind of heavy, I don't know. I don't throw competitively, so, but that should fit in the guidelines. Anyway, that was the story on that one, and like I said, but I can always, you know, I'm hanging on the wall, but I don't have any place really to put it. But I probably would have more liked it down here, but then it would be 23, and plus I'm giving myself some, I messed up, you know, where if it gets some loose, I can move it down some more and redo it like that. But it was quite a little interesting job to do that for the first time. Next, I'll move on to this Plum, which is probably from the, well, I know it's from the late 40s, maybe early 50s. It's a Plum. Get that backwards. You know what? Where is it? Anyway, it's a Plum, and it was backwards on here. ATSF Railroad. It's the Atkinson, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railroad. I had my uncle Cac, short for cactus, gave that to my dad. I guess he used that when he was working for the Santa Fe Railroad. So anyway, that's the next one. And I have this here reordered. It's hard to do. I'll come back. Okay, I'm back here. I got that out of the box. So I got this handle. Also from Whiskey River, I got back online and they'd restocked. So, like I said, you know, I saw the stuff about run out and the angle of the dangle and all that stuff. But anyway, got this one that go with that one, and it's probably close to the right size. I think that's like a, I don't know what it is, a 28, 32. So anyway, it's big enough I can't video it and hold it at the same time. But anyway, that's going to go on that one. But this one here, I don't know. I got through it, and I'm kind of scared to go throw it. I didn't sand much on the handle. I might do that. I might, I don't know, bring it down a little bit. But I tried my luck at burning it a little, and then I linseed oil, and then I kind of polished the head with that stuff. The head, basically, I said I'm a beginner. I kind of probably did a bunch of stuff wrong, but like I said, it was really rusted up, pitted, and so I soaked it in vinegar, which they say don't do, and then I actually soaked it in brake fluid, and then I wiped that down and WD-40'd it, and then I wire brushed it and filed on it. The back was all hammered up and mushroomed and everything. And underneath here with the overstrikes and stuff messed it up, had and then I filed, like I said, I filed it into shape, and then I wire brush, sandpaper, polished and buffed. So anyhow, I know that's another boring story, but there you have it. 23.25-inch handle. Overall weight is right at 4 pounds. It's got a the bite on it is anyway, it fits. I don't remember what the specs are for the World Axe Throwing League, but it's in there with some space. So everything looks good. It's got a one of those Purple Heart wedges in it, and then a barrel in it, so anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and all that stuff. It'll help my demographics or the whatever the stuff that YouTube looks at to spread your stuff out on the internet. So on YouTube, that is. I know I'm running off the mouth. So anyway, that's it for today. I know I forgot something. I always do. But anyway, have a good day. Half Full Monty out.